How to adjust column width in Mailchimp. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So we are just going to start by creating a template that we want to adjust the columns in. So I'm just going to go to all campaigns, create a new one, and we are just going to create a regular email campaign. So click on design email, and we can just feel free to just skip ahead. We don't need, okay. Let's just go back. And we don't really need any of this. We can just go ahead and skip all of this and go to content. Now, obviously, you're going to fill all of these things, but I'm just going to click on design email. And here you can feel free to pick any style or template that you want to go for. It doesn't really make a difference. So I'm just going to go ahead and select one of the free ones here. This one right here is going to have to do. And then we can just feel free to insert the actual columns in order to adjust the width to them. But here's the thing. You can actually feel free to, first, before you actually insert the columns, I highly suggest if you want to adjust the width to first select a proper layout that you actually want. For example, you want an image with text, let's say, as an example. In that case, before you just go ahead and create columns, like Mailchimp does actually offer quite a different sizes for columns. So let's just go and show you exactly what I'm talking about here. Layouts, and if we just go to layouts, you can actually see we have the different types of columns that they have. So small on the left, bigger on the right, and you can see the different sizes for these columns. So if those are suitable for you, then this is going to save you time before having to adjust width even further and stuff. So just go and select a proper one, and that could actually just possibly be the solution for you. If not, we can actually just go in and do the second step. So let's just go in and add this one here as an example. And right now we can actually see we have the different columns here on the left and on the right, and we can just add some elements to them, but we want to adjust the width for these columns. But I just need to note, I just actually realized this, I didn't know this before. You can't really do or adjust the width if it is one of those pre-built ones with different sizes. Instead, if you actually want to adjust the width, you want to go to layouts and select this one, text and text, or image and text, in order to actually change the width. Otherwise, these are not actually going to work. They're going to be stationary. So let's just go and select this one and go for this layout, for example. And we can actually see the different layout. And now we can actually select one of which and change the width for it. So let's just increase the width on the left one, for example. Go ahead and click on it. And once you click on it, you will see the second settings for that specific one on the left panel, including the left and right padding. So we can actually go and increase this to something crazy like 20. Okay, maybe 100, just so we can demonstrate. And you can also go ahead and do 100 on the left as well, just so we can change the width totally for it. And you can actually see the same thing goes for this one. If you want to change the height or width, you can also feel free to do it from here. But yeah, this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.